Everyone, I am Navdeep Kaur and I am your trainer for today's training session. And our today's topic is how to make an orange juice plus. Orange juice is enjoyed around the world, especially when it's hot summers and want something refreshing to drink. Orange juice is preferable. Orange juice is not only healthy but it's good for health as well. Orange juice has a refreshing taste and it just takes a few minutes to make one. Objective for today's training session are: first, define the term orange juice plus. Second, explain the health benefits of orange juice plus. And third, but not least, demonstrate the suitable methods and different ingredients to make an orange juice plus. Objective, that is, define the term orange juice plus. So what is orange juice? Orange juice is the liquid extract of the orange tree fruit produced by reaming and squeezing of oranges. Orange juice is a rich source of vitamin C and it has several varieties. As you can see, there are several varieties of orange juice. Blood orange juice, navel orange juice, Valencia orange juice, Clementine orange juice and tangerine orange juice. So, in today's training session, we are only making orange juice plus, in which we are using farm oranges, and this is the basic of every orange juice. So for you guys, I have a mini quiz. And our first question is drinking orange juice is beneficial? Yes, you are right. The answer is true. Drinking orange juice is beneficial. Moving towards the next question. What source of vitamin an orange juice provides? Vitamin A, vitamin B, or vitamin C? Yes, the right answer is vitamin C. We get vitamin C from oranges. Moving towards our next objective, that is, explain the health benefits of orange juice plus. Orange juice plus has a lot of health benefits and it has a rich source of vitamin C. It helps in reduce blood pressure, it helps in boosting our immunity and it regulates the blood flow in our body. And it is also good for diabetic patients. Moreover, in hot summers and in extreme hot, everyone likes to drink something healthy and something refreshing which provides energy to our body. So orange juice is one of them and it also prevents dehydration. So I have a discussion activity for you guys. In the groups of 3 to 4 members, perform the discussion regarding what ingredients one should have to make an orange juice plus. You have 3 to 4 minutes to perform this activity. Okay guys, discussion is over. So I hope you all have a basic knowledge and thought of some basic ideas that how to make an orange juice plus. And you guys also thought of the ingredients to make one. So for this objective, I will give you a demo that how to make an orange juice plus by using different ingredients and suitable methods. So here are the ingredients what we need to make an orange juice. Oranges, water, sugar, and to give an unexpected twist, we need a splash of vanilla extract. And here are the ingredients. To make an orange juice, we need 2 oranges to make 2 glasses of orange juice. So we need these oranges to be peeled. We need some sugar. We need a 1/4 cup of water, and we need vanilla essence. You can use white vanilla essence, and that's all we need to make an orange juice. Procedure to make an orange juice. To make 2 glasses of orange juice, just take 2 oranges and peel it. Now take a juicer and put the peeled oranges in it. Take 1/4 cup of water, and you can also add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and to give it a different flavor you can add vanilla extract. Now secure the lid and turn the juicer on. Blend it for approximately up to 1 minute, and if you think that the juice's consistency is not really good, you can blend it for another half minute, and then after that you're ready to serve the juice. So to make an orange juice we need oranges, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put these oranges in our mug, and we're gonna put it here. And we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're gonna 1/4 cup of water, and just a splash of vanilla essence. And that's it. Now we're gonna blend it. Blending the orange juice, our orange juice looks like this. So I have hands-on for you guys, in which it has 2 different methods that how to make an orange juice plus. Here's the hands-on. I have a revision quiz for you guys to check the understanding level. So our first question is, what is orange juice? Can anybody tell me what is orange juice? Yes, the orange juice is a liquid extract of orange tree fruit produced by reaming and squeezing of oranges. So our next question is, orange juice is a source of what? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C. Can anybody tell me? Yes, orange juice is a rich source of vitamin C. It provides us vitamin C and it keeps us healthy. Our third question is, select the wrong ingredients of orange juice plus. And the options are orange, sugar, vanilla extract or water. So this is a tricky question. Can anybody tell me about this question? Yes, there is nothing wrong. Everything is right. We need all these the following ingredients to make an orange juice. So our fourth question is, give 2 health benefits of orange juice plus. Yes, orange juice helps in reduce our blood pressure, and it also helps in boosting our immunity, and it is really good for diabetic patients as well. So our last question is orange juice is good for diabetic patient? Yes, as I told you earlier, orange juice is really good for diabetic patients. So yeah, the answer is true. And yeah, that's all we have for today's topic, revision quiz. Okay, so what we learn in today's training session? So in today's training session, we'll learn the definition of term orange juice plus. We learn different types of orange juice, health benefits of orange juice, types of ingredients we use to make an orange juice plus, and methods to make an orange juice plus. Please provide your feedback on this 20 minutes training session, because your feedback matters a lot and it improves our training in our future. Here is the feedback form for you guys. Thank you guys for attending today's training session.